Every night fucks every day up. Everyday patches then light up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the actor. Oh, the legend. Got at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it acted. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. Oh, the reverend. Reaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use.
Kept it on the radio, open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little baddina. We stay good friends, we get too gravy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably go aside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you judge, outside of the club.
Y'all, it's so cloudy outside. It makes me look so pale. Like, I need some sun. And y'all, look what my son done ripped off the wall this morning. I went to go brush my teeth, came back, it was gone. And I had this shirt on in almost every single one of my vlogs. Like, mind your business. This is the most comfortable shirt I have. Like, it's like 2-3 sizes bigger. I just throw it on. So, as y'all seen from the clips that just played, so basically, the other day I had planned to like do a vlog, and I'm like, you know, let me start off the vlog, do my morning routine, stuff like that. And I was gonna go thrifting, and I was gonna go do some like Instacart orders. So soon as I got in my car, I picked up an Instacart order. My car just messes, y'all, it's just broken at this point. Like, it's just broken. So we're gonna like redo the vlog. I'm tired of this. Is like the 3rd video where I come and say something happened with my car, so we had to redo it. So like I said, again, for the 3rd time in a row, we're gonna restart this vlog. I like to include those like clips so y'all can see like I attempted to make a vlog, stuff didn't work out. We're coming in another day and we're doing it again. So yeah, I already worked out and I didn't feel the need to include that because it was already included. I just finished getting ready. I'm about to clean my room because my son made a big mess in my room. So after I clean my room, I'm gonna go downstairs. We're gonna do whatever happens in the video.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. There's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really spit on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babe. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when that shit been a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a wax. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Or the Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple figures, kill a star, collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk fast because the TV downstairs is like kind of loud. I'm about to leave right now. I got the same hoodie. Shut up. Like, just shut up. Y'all, as long as my clothes is clean, it's like I'm gonna keep wearing it over and over. I don't care. So the mechanic just called and said that my car is ready to be picked up. I'm not even gonna get too excited because y'all been having car issues for like, it's been like 2.5 weeks already. Right now, as y'all seen, whatever, it's almost 11:30. So I'm about to go to the thrift store. I'm gonna pick up some stuff for my depop and I'll probably go shopping for me. It depends what I find, but I'm definitely gonna get something. Probably later on, y'all gonna see me list everything. So this is gonna be like a thrifting, depop, working type video. I don't know.
I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken till a nigga land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took a airline, took one again. Crashed a Ferrari, so I have so ooh. It's crazy how you watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't ever lose. Flying my mind to Japan, flying my dad to Japan. We in the fans, we gon' link up with the fam. Yeah, I'm talking NBN, yeah. Buddy, I don't never lie. That chopper make a nigga dance. Versatile freelance. Fuck any bitch, nigga, the pants. Only with the shit if you a 10. Picking any bitch, you on a man. If you want a feature, give me a grand. Drip my body, I'm cool like a fan. I cannot lose. I was up grinding, they snooze. Fuck all the fighting, be cool. Fuck all the dying, keep tools. I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken till a nigga land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an airline, took one again. Crashed a Ferrari.
Alright, y'all, so I just got home. I'm gonna show y'all what I bought today. So I got this shirt. It says people, absolute nightmare, would not recommend. 1 star. I thought it was so cute. So this shirt was $9. I bought this little tank top for $4. It's so funny because I seen it and I thought it was so freaking cute. And I didn't realize I have the same graphic on my sweater. I ended up finding this shirt and it was $8. My main thing was looking for like things to wear in the summer. So I thought this was like a cute summer shirt, probably cut off the sleeves or something to make it a little more like, I don't know. I got this shirt for $6. I don't know, just a cute shirt. I got these jean shorts. They like dark denim, black denim jean shorts for $8. And then y'all, I found some New Balances for $25. They're not in the best condition. I'm not even gonna lie, but these are for the summer. Like, go to the park, go to like amusement parks. And I feel like for the price, you really can't beat it. Because there was shoes like this that was in a little bit better condition and it was still $40. So I think $25 is not too bad. So for 4 shirts, a pair of shorts, and some shoes, I spent $63. But I did have a gift card that I got for my birthday. So I really spent $33. So that's about it. I didn't find anything to post on my Depop, but I do have a few things here that I was going to post up on my Depop anyways. So I'm just going to include a video of me like taking pictures of the items, listing the items and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure after this. So I just wanted to show y'all what I got.
Cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Cause girls is players too. Yeah, yeah. Cause girls is players too.
Hey, hey,
Cause girls is players too.
yo.
Bitches get money all around the world. Cause girls is players too. This is it. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on the watch. Hold on, low T showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my clippers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another flight. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You can have anybody, any money, mo. Cause when you a boss, you can do what you want. Yeah,
Let's do it.
cause girls is players too. Yeah, yeah, cause girls is players too.
Hey, hey,
Cause girls is players too.
yo.
Bitches get money all around the world. Cause girls is players too. I go on and on again. He blowing on my phone, but I'm ignoring him. He thinking he the one, I got like 4 of him. Yeah, I'm sitting first class like valedictorian. Came a long way from rag to riches. 5-star bitch, that taste so delicious. Let him lick the plate, yeah, I make him do the dishes. Now he on new slow, cause
bag. That's your P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop them drummers, fuck my P. We don't want no peace.
Alright y'all, so right now I'm about to package your order. I'm gonna do this with y'all. Usually y'all just see me like take the stuff out the bag and package it on my bed, but I'm gonna do it while I'm talking to y'all. So I don't ever do this step, but right now the post offices are closed because it snowed. And just in case somebody buys something today or tomorrow, or you know, in between whenever they open, I just want to keep everything organized. So I'm just gonna like write on a little sticky note what I'm packaging so stuff doesn't get mixed up. So this is the item that's sold, and I'm just gonna write like green hoodie. So everything that's on my Depop is either in this bin or my son's playpen. I keep like all my like Depop business stuff in his playpen. That way it's like in the corner, out the way, he can't get to it, and everything's all together. So I got like the packaging stuff, tissue paper, little bubble stuff for when I mail like shoes and stuff like that, the tripod stand, more clothes, literally everything from my Depop is in that playpen. So right now I'm about to get the green sweater that's sold. So I usually wrap the clothes in tissue paper, as y'all seen. This tissue paper, I got it from Dollar Tree. I think it was like 20 pieces for $125 or like 15 pieces, something like that. So usually I just wrap it like a burrito. I just feel like when you open it, it's like you're opening a gift or something. And then I have these poly mailers. I bought them on Amazon. I think it was like 80 or like 100 for $12. So I've sold over like 20 items on Depop, and usually I use the same mailers. I feel like they're good. I haven't got feedback saying that they ripped or anything came broken or wet or anything like that. So I think these are good quality as far as I know. Alright y'all, so this is the package. I used to print like the shipping label here in my house until I found out that you could just use the QR code and they could print a shipping label at the post office. I feel like that's so much easier. I don't have to waste my ink, my paper, or anything. I literally just show them the code, they scan it, put the packaging label, I get the receipt, and I'm done. And if I do sell any orders, I'll just include like a little aesthetic video so y'all can see that as well. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm gonna show more of the process in future videos, like me shopping for items. Right now there's no clearance sales going on, so that's why I haven't really been like shopping for the items. I need to make a good enough profit for it to be worth it. So like I said, buying a shirt for $8, selling it for $9, that's not a good enough profit for me. So